TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from, mostly cloudy Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 2 p.m. update, and currently right now we've got all the indices trading to the downside. You've got the Dow's off 437, 1 3/10%. About 1% for the S&P, 41 points, and NDX 100, 6/10, 82 points. Russell's off nearly 2% at 43. Semis down 2.25%, 71 points to the downside. Let's do this here. Let's go take a look at the index ETFs and the sectors within inside the S&P 500. We'll get to as many of these as we can. So in the upper left-hand corner, you've got the QQQ ETF. What you should notice here is yesterday was the day following bar number 9. It made a higher high. We have a valid TD9 count in place for the Qs. What we don't have is any kind of support failing. The first level of support inside the QQQ ETF is approximately 341.33. I have to say approximately because that's the oscillator and change line, and as price moves up and down, so too will that level. But use that as your guideline, about 341.34. As long as price remains above that, the NQ is simply neutral to bullish. The SPYs out there, SPYs are trading below profile levels and could be signaling to move back to 406.93. The XLK also forming a TD9 count top yesterday. Same game here. Price is above its oscillator and change line, 141.86. Therefore, its signal remains neutral. The healthcare sector out here, just trading with inside profiles, no real damage. If this did have damage, meaning a decent retracement, that would be sending price into the 121.02, 121.83 level. The Dow Diamonds in the bottom left-hand panel today is going to become bar number 9, right at TD9 breakout support at 333.43. That message is that the Dow is bottoming. Whether that bottom is today's low or Monday's low, that is its signal. The Russell 2000, its signal is that price might want to move down to 219.19. The XLF is going to be in bar number 9 today. That says its bottom, if it's going to form one, should occur today or on Monday, and that could be above 34.67, a breakout level. So you've got the XLF and the Dow signaling a bottom pattern. Let's go shift over. Oh, we won't have a whole lot of time, but let me at least get the screen up for you so you can take a look at those pictures, maybe take a snapshot. Here are the remaining sectors inside the S&P 500. The XLI has a TD9 count bottom. Watch today's low. If price gets below that, it tells you it wants to head lower out there. The XLB's got a nice TD9 count. So there's some sectors that are saying, I want to bottom. Folks, stay tuned for the Power Trading Hour. Have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you next week.